what's up, y'all? Right now, we downtown on the east side. Everyone that's been watching my videos, I just wanted to say, I really appreciate y'all. Let's go, let's see what's good today, let's see what happens. So anyways, yeah, right now we downtown on the east side. We about to get something to eat real quick. I wanted to do some things today, but it's a lot, yo. Like living in New York, there's a lot of like rules and regulations, and there's certain things you gotta do, you know?
I hope you don't post this on YouTube.
Why?
Because I was in there.
It's all good. Like I was saying, we about to go get something to eat right now. I usually don't really eat around here. When I get food, it's usually like, it's not in Midtown. I'll probably go to Jersey or something. Or I'll go uptown, or I'll go to Queens or something, you know? Or Brooklyn or something. Let's get out of here now. About to go inside this spot, this seafood spot. See what's good with this. We in Long Island right now. As you can see right now, it's nice and peaceful and quiet over here. You know? Let's see what it's called. There you go. Let's check it out. First orders here, the soft shell crabs, as you can see. Look at that, nice and crispy. That looks good, yo. That lobster mac and cheese, you see that? That joint look good, yo. Look at that. There's a lot of lobster in there. So we about to get something to eat real quick, and then we're gonna go on that that red trolley thing. And that's it. About to get some pizza right here, y'all can see. On the east side, man. 3rd Avenue, East 57th Street. This piece right here is special, y'all. I should get 2 more. Right now we're walking more towards the east side. We're trying to catch the trolleys. We just ate some food, and we're gonna see what's up before the sun goes down, you know? We're out of here. The entrance is right in front of us. We just gotta get around the bus. There's a little bit of traffic here, but that's how New York is, you know? Okay. Don't do that. Don't do that. Damn. She's like, you saw the middle finger? We gotta go on the other side where the people's at. guess some people live here. Ain't much over here right now. It's not like you can come here and hang out. Because you got to go to the next stop. The next stop is over the water behind me. This is the only animal. This is why I be like, man, this is a Truman Show, man. See? People do this? Because if I lived here, I'm having beach chairs over here, but maybe I shouldn't be here. I don't know. I'm just saying. You see how it's confusing, right? This is the reason why I like to travel so much, because when you put yourself in a different environment, in a different atmosphere, and you just do it, you just show up, things be happening, man. Things be happening, man. We're on Roosevelt Island, but we about to head back to Manhattan. I was about to sit here, my bad. Can you sit there? Nah, you can't do that. Hello? Hey.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
What you on?
Yeah, so we back in Manhattan right now, guys. So we out of here. That little trip that we had, that was it.
No, I always get the biscuits. And it's safe.
Right now, we're gonna call it a night. Thank you everyone for rocking with me. I really appreciate it. We out of here. Peace out, y'all. Hey, man, Selvin?
Yes, sir.
Sir, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Pretty good.